Hey, it's Tiffany at Buchwalter Greenhouse, and this time of year you'll find us often making evergreen porch pots because it's too sad, to have nothing to look at pretty over the winter. So you can actually just keep the potting soil that you had over the summer, pull your plants out, and put cut pine in it, and it works really well. The potting soil will actually work as a water reservoir and helps your pine to last. Oftentimes, it still looks great into February or March when you're ready to get rid of it. So to make a porch planter with pine, you can use assorted types of pine or cut greens, or you can just stick with one. I like to use a mix. To start off, this is spruce. This is a really nice pine to use as your base. I'll pick a taller piece to start with my center, and from there work down at angles like you would see naturally, like with a tree. So after you have your center one placed, you're just pushing the cut ends into the sides of the pot. And from there you can start adding other types as well. I like to use a lot of white pine. It's just very soft, gives it a nice texture to change it up a bit. And this I will put in between, again, still coming in at angles. And this particular pot I am actually making so you only see it from the front. But if you see a pot all the way around, then you would rotate it and keep pushing it in as you go. That one needed to be shorter. I'll even use some of these shorter pieces for the side and just let it hang over. So that way you can use all the pine that you cut. This is called Scotch pine. It's got a nice blue texture. Because even with greens, you can change up the colors, vary the colors of green in your pots. Okay, so there I feel like it's fairly full. And now I'm going to add my accent greens, which I have Boxwood, which is a nice bright green colors, and it has a real nice, smooth, shiny leaf that you can tuck it in, just dot it in here and there. Maybe a little more white pine here in the middle. Spruce. And then the cedar is very, like, it likes to kind of trail. It's flowy. Even though it does have that movement to it, you can put it in between all of the other pieces last and kind of take the pieces back and forth through it. And then to kind of finish it off, I like to take a couple pieces of that cedar and put it in the front. Got another bare spot right there. There you go. Nice full pot for winter. We recommend spraying your cut greens with Wilt Stop. That will help seal in the moisture. And by keeping your pot watered until it's frozen, your evergreens will last all winter long.